This is the Alpharin Candle Warmer Lamp. We were sent this to test out, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's like right out of the box. Everything comes packaged really well and nothing felt flimsy or that felt like it was going to fall out. The lamp itself already looks decorative. I mean like really feminine decorative, which I love because I don't want something that feels purely functional sitting out in my home. I like that the height is adjustable because not all candles are the same size. You can raise or lower it so the bulb sits at the right distance above the candle. Before I even turn it on, I like that this feels better than lighting a candle, especially if you have kids, pets, or just forgetful moments. There's no open flame, but you still get that candle scent that you love. I'm going to place a regular candle jar underneath it for the first time. And we're going to go ahead and turn this on. So this warms up pretty quickly. Within a few minutes, you can already start smelling the candle without it being too overwhelming. The dimmer is a really nice touch. You can control how strong the scent is just by adjusting the light level, which feels way more customizable than a regular candle. This thing will also have a timer, which I love. You can set it and not worry about remembering to turn it off later. That alone makes me feel like this is a really thoughtful design. I also just really like how it looks. It adds a cozy glow and works as decor, not just a warmer. And after using it for a little bit, I can already tell this is something I'll reach for daily, especially in the evenings. It gives you that ambience and fragrance of a candle without the worry. Overall, this feels like a simple upgrade that makes my space feel more relaxed and put together.